In this video, I will show you how to get free football coins from Konami website. First of all, open your default browser. Now type eFootball in the search bar and click Enter. Now tap on the first website that appears. Now tap on Get More of Football Coins at the top. Now scroll down and select your country. Now sign into your Konami ID using your email and password. Then tap on Login. Now tap on the drop-down arrow near Select a Platform and select your server. Now scroll down and tap on Claim. Now you have successfully claimed free eFootball coins from Konami website, and that's it.